Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste photos onto your Instagram stories with Android. So first you're going to want to go to the Play Store and download an app called SwiftKey. You can see here I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to show you what the icon looks like. But once you've downloaded it, it will give you instructions on how to set it up on your own keyboard, but it's really straightforward and it's free. Okay, so then you want to open up your Instagram app and go to Stories and just choose a picture you like. It could be a background or a slide you've already made before, and you just want to select which one you want to do. So I decided to go with this floral one and make a bit of a floral montage. So I'm just getting rid of the timestamp on it, adjusting it to how I'd like. I'm going to put it off to one side. And now here's the important part. So you want to click on the bottom right hand corner on the keyboard icon and change from whichever keyboard you use, I use Gboard normally, to SwiftKey. And then press either the GIF icon or the little smiley face icon and it will bring you up to this menu. You then want to click on the little pin, and then after that click on the add photo, and here is your camera roll essentially and all your pictures that you'll have in your normal gallery. So then you can click on those, you can resize them. You can add as many as you like. You could add extra pictures, maybe stickers or any text, anything really that's in your camera roll you can add now to this stage. So now you can just adjust them, keep on adding different ones if you like. Just remember you need to press the GIF or the sticker icon. It comes up in both sections, so I mean you can use either. Then you click the pin icon and then click add photo. And then these photos will remain in this section of that keyboard, so if you want you can use them again in the future. Then I like to go back to Gboard for typing. I just find it easier to text using Gboard. And then if you like you can add some text. I just put something related to flowers in between each of the pictures. And that's pretty much it really, so it's very quick and very simple. And you don't have to just use this technique, layering pictures on top of pictures. You can take any colour background you like. I've got a couple I saved that are in my kind of colourways, the colours I like to use the most. So I'm just putting one of these on Instagram stories again, and then using this as a background to layer a couple of other photos on top. So it's the same process again. Make sure you change the keyboard to SwiftKey. You can keep SwiftKey as your keyboard for everything all the time. That's up to you, it's just personal preference. And then click on the GIF or the sticker icon, then on the pin, then on add photo. And you can rearrange these really easily. You can decide which picture goes on top. You can layer them however you like. And yeah, I think the effect's really nice and it's really quick and simple. And again, you could choose to leave it there, or you could add some lines, or you could add a little bit of text, a location sticker, any other GIFs or anything you'd like to put on there. And that is it. That is how you copy and paste pictures into your Instagram story if you use Android. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope to see you again around these parts soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!